Hey guys, welcome back to Forex Waves. It's the first day of the week, and I hope you're all back in action, refreshed, and ready for another solid week in the market. Now, before we jump into the today's level, let's quickly recap what happened on Friday because that move was really important for today's setup. As you all know, Friday was extremely volatile, so we got some very clean and strong move in the market, just like we discussed in the previous video. I clearly mentioned that if the market breaks above 4,287 level with strong momentum, then there is a high probability we could see a push above 4,327 to 4,340 level. And guess what? Exactly the same thing happened, right? Price broke above, moved higher, and then rejected perfectly from our resistance zone and dropped from there. If you have been following my levels closely, you will notice something. Keep respecting them almost to the point, right? Wherever I mark my resistance and support level or the target area, it exactly touches that level and then moves above or down. So this level of precision doesn't come overnight, guys. It comes from learning, experience, and practice, and of course, years of observation. So this is not something you develop in 1 or 2 weeks. So I would suggest like you stay patient and stay consistent and keep on learning. Because if you don't learn, you will not be able to understand the right way of trading and right analysis. Now let's focus on what we can expect today. At the moment, the market is trading around 4,345, which is already above 40 to $45 up from the opening price. Now, there's a quick reminder, guys. If you have watched the full video, levels are just one part of the strategy, right? Because apart from levels, I am giving you important information as well. Those who are like following me properly, they would understand like what I'm talking about. So please go through the complete explanation because that will explain the entire process and will clear the picture. Now, let's talk about today's level. The resistance area, target area, and then price of entry. Okay, so I have already marked my levels. If you can see, this is the area of resistance as per today's analysis. This is the best possible area of entry that I can see as of now, and this will be my, sorry guys, profit area 1. So if you can see, the resistance is around 4,376. Entry area can be around 4,345 to 4,350, and entry area, and the profit area will be somewhere between 4,300 to 4,295, you can say. Now, keep this in mind, guys. Gold is currently pushing upward. So, if the market breaks and hold above 4,360 to 4,375 with strong pressure candle or even multiple small bullish candles, then yes, we can definitely see price breaking the top and moving towards 4,400 to 4,425 in the coming 1 or 2 days. However, if this is very important, if the market starts dropping from here and tomorrow price fails to cross 4,290, like after dropping, if the market cannot sustain, going upwards and stays below it, then guys get ready for a much bigger move. In that case, we could see a strong downward push in the coming days. Possible target that I'm seeing is like around 4,175 to 4,135. So trade smart, manage your risk properly, and don't rush. And also, let me just break down the levels as well because I've just drawn the lines of entry, resistance, and profit. Let me just give you more clarity on it. 1 minute. Okay, so I think this is the best area. This will be my target area zone. So the target area zone can be around 4,300 to 4,280 level. So you can keep this 4,280 as a profit area 2 level. It depends on the market structure as well. But of course, if the market comes down, take the opportunity. And my stop loss will be till my resistance zone. Let's say 4,380 for a safer side. So I'll just move the resistance area to 4,381. Okay, so now this is, and how it will move is, let me show you. Now the market is already at, so there is a chance of market going towards 4,000. This area, it can drop to here again. And Alright guys, if you like the video, if you like the analysis, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss on the daily updates. Thank you so much for watching guys.